Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to appear offline even if you're online. So that's our secret. So first, you need to download WhatsApp. Click WhatsApp. So here, we are on my status. Go to your settings. And then go to your privacy. And here, choose last seen and online. So for my last scene, I choose nobody. So nobody can see my last scene. So who can see when I'm online? So let's choose same as last scene. So nobody. So if you don't share your last scene and online, you won't be able to see other people's last scene and online. So yeah, so that's it. That's how you make or hide that you are online. So yeah, let's appear offline if you don't want to be bothered or disturbed. So yeah, I hope this video helped you. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.